Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video and welcome to my channel. After that, guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install NetBalancer application or software for your PC. NetBalancer is actually a local network control application for your PC, and you can control your local internet traffic through this software, and I will show you how to download and install for your PC. Okay, first of all we will go to our Chrome browser and search here NetBalancer and search here NetBalancer. Open this website. First of all, website netbalancer.com and application. NetBalancer is Windows application for local network traffic control and monitoring. Here you can see the NetBalancer. What is NetBalancer? Browse and do any internet activity comfortably on your PC even when your download manager or torrent client downloads used files from internet recover. Okay, time-based traffic rules. So are the recent news after that the Pro NetBalancer Professional Version edition is about $50, and you can purchase it from this button. And these features are control your traffic with priority and rules. Okay, advanced monitoring statistics, control the flow. Okay, the customers or clients or users of NetBalancer software, or you can see here HP. That's great. HP company is also using NetBalancer. MSI, Sony, Nvidia graphics. Okay, you can see Siemens, Amcor, Pearl, X, Seed. So these are the clients and customers of the NetBalancer users. Okay, software. Okay, so I will show you how to download and install NetBalancer traffic control software or application for your PC, and you can download it from here. Okay, click here and save it. So its installer has been started to be downloaded, and it's about 7.6 MB installer of NetBalancer software. And you can see here this internet speed is very slow, so it will be downloaded in about 5 to 8 minutes because of the internet slow speed. Okay, it's going to be downloaded, and I will show you after this download that how to install it on your PC. Thank you and keep watching. So as you can see, the installer is going to be downloaded, and in few seconds it will be downloaded into your PC. After that we will try to install it in our PC. Keep watching, and installer has been downloaded. You can see here, we will see it and try to install for our PC. Run it as administrator, and do you want to allow this? Yes, allow this app. Yes, allow this app. Here select next, accept the user agreement, and next NetBalancer, named it NetBalancer PC. Okay, and next and install. Okay, in this way you can see the installer has been worked, and you can see the NetBalancer has started to be installed into your PC. You can see. So guys, in this way you can also download and install NetBalancer. A fantastic